We're staying in a suburb here in Incheon, no, for Airbnb. The neighborhood environment. We rented entire house. So we're walking to the area is very accessible to public transportation, buses, no, trains. Then there's a convenience store. Convenience store at the corner. Tapos on that far corner, there's also parang kung sa Pilipino pa restaurant, no? Parang eatery. Dalawa pala siya. If you want to have some cooked meals. There's also another resto here. Ang taas, no? So this used to be a residential area turned commercial. And what is very noticeable also here in Incheon, you have CCTV in almost all major streets, just to check on yung criminality. So we're on I think 4 intersecting streets. Deceiving yung sun, but the temperature right now is 0 degrees. Malamig. Okay. So dito yung convenience store GS25. Ay! Nag-load kayo ng card?
Upload kami. Give Kara your card, Papa.
Okay. Kiarsha?
Kara's coming and wala pa itong enough amount. I'm keeping Dara's in the...
You're embarrassed.
Can I ask that?
You can have that.
I'll just ask it na lang.
Yours.
So ito yung parang the feel of the neighborhood here in what district is this? Seoul-Misan-ro 29 An-gil. This is our location. I observe also that almost every corner there's a coffee shop. And the dominant color here is, what's the dominant color here of jackets? Black. Is
Hi. I'm in black.
huh?
So I'm dominant.
Okay. Today is ano may? What day is today?
is Christmas Day.
Christmas Day. So
No, it's 24.
what are our plans
Plans
for
for
today?
Christmas?
Fiesta. Well, fiestahan ba dito sa convenience store?
Go to a Filipino store.
Okay. So we're going to find a Filipino store here. We'll be taking public transport. So what's your comment on the public transport quickly?
Very efficient.
There's
Numbered, it arrives on
security
time.
security camera. Oh, grabe. No?
It has heated seats.